As a movie enthusiast, I am eagerly anticipating Millie Bobby Brown's upcoming sci-fi film with Chris Pratt and the Russo Brothers. The movie is set to premiere on Netflix, and it promises to be an exciting ride with a massive budget of $300 million. With Chris Pratt involved and the Russo Brothers, directors of Avengers Endgame, also on the board, there are already promising indications for the project. However, the success of this collaboration heavily relies on its return. Brown has been steadily building her career since her breakout. We see her family in post-John G. and her black press Sci-Fi projects. Joseph Diversity was a camera-included role in Stranger Things. Brown continues to search for a long-term replacement for her role in Stranger Things, underscoring the significance of her upcoming project. The sci-fi movie will reportedly have a huge budget and several names have already been announced. As a die-hard movie enthusiast, I can hardly contain my excitement for the upcoming sci-fi masterpiece titled The Electric State, set to hit theaters in 2024. Though the exact release date is yet to be revealed, the buzz around this project has been nothing short of electrifying. A standout aspect of this project is its massive budget, estimated to be approximately $300 million. If accurate, this would place The Electric State among the 15 most costly films ever produced. Since he won't have a conventional theater release, there are high hopes for its performance. Filming concluded in 2023, implying that it has been under post-production for quite some time now. 4. With The Electric State slated to premiere soon, it must be successful. The Electric State needs to be a hit not just for Millie Bobby Brown, but for Netflix as well. The streaming giant shelled out approximately $200 million each for The Gray Man and Red Notice, which performed exceptionally well. However, The Electric State lacks the same high-octane action vibe, making it a potential challenge to replicate success while attracting new viewers. In essence, The Electric State is a significant risk, a gamble for both Millie Bobby Brown and Netflix, as its reception could make or break the movie's success. Nevertheless, Chris Pratt and the Russos are unlikely to be affected by The Electric State's performance, but its fate is crucial for both Brown and Netflix.